The health benefits of garlic have been well studied and can provide our bodies with important nutrients and unique compounds. Now growing in popularity is fermented garlic, which offers incredible benefits for those who consume it. Many individuals prefer the taste of fermented garlic since it is often much more sweet tasting with a jelly-like texture when compared to raw garlic. Amazingly, fermented garlic can last for weeks and even months when stored in your refrigerator. To make your own fermented garlic at home, you will need 8 to 12 garlic cloves, 4 cups of water, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. Peel the garlic and add the raw cloves to a jar, filling it to about 1 to 2 inches from the top. Next, dissolve the salt in water and pour the salt brine into the jar so that all of the garlic cloves are covered. Seal the lid on tight and store in a dark, cool area to let the fermentation process begin. Continue this process for 3 to 5 weeks and then move the jar into the fridge when the fermentation process has been completed. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming fermented garlic. First, fermented garlic is packed with important vitamins, minerals, and nutrients for our body and contains more bioactive compounds than regular garlic. It is a rich source of vitamin B6, manganese, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and more. Fermented garlic is also low in calories, high in antioxidants, and contains anti-inflammatory compounds. Similar to the high amounts of nutrients found in fermented garlic, it is also an antioxidant powerhouse. Studies have shown that the aging and fermentation process of garlic can actually increase the amounts of polyphenol and flavonoid antioxidants. This allows fermented garlic to reduce free radicals, fight inflammation, and boost immunity. Consuming fermented garlic is also very heart healthy and can reduce the risk of heart disease. Numerous studies have shown that fermented garlic can help to regulate and reduce blood pressure levels. As well, fermented garlic can improve cholesterol levels by lowering bad LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol. The high amounts of nutrition and antioxidants are also helpful in this regard. Lastly, consuming fermented garlic can help to naturally boost our immunity while also reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases. Fermented garlic contains a powerful compound known as allicin that can provide medicinal properties. As well, studies have found that fermented garlic can help to reduce symptoms associated with the common cold and flu. Fermented garlic also contains immune-boosting sulfur compounds. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.